Hi, my name is David Ruben. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why I think you should hire me. And I'm going to break it into 4 different sections: experience, knowledge, affordability, and accessibility. I've been doing this since 1991. I have experience in the areas of family law, thousands of cases, divorce, custody, child support, peace orders, protective orders, all sorts of family law cases all over the state of Maryland, almost on a daily basis. But I also do bankruptcy work. I have a section of my law firm that does bankruptcy. Over the last 25 years, we've filed literally thousands of bankruptcy cases in federal court for clients, eliminating literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in debts for people. I'm experienced. I have an associate who works with me who's been doing this for 15 years. I have paralegals who process the paperwork who I think simply are the best in the state. So if you have any questions about that, we've got the experience. I also do criminal law and I also do auto accident work. I've been doing same thing. When I first started practicing law in 1991, I started right out of the gate working for a general practice law firm, and I was pretty much on my own doing all these kinds of law, and I've been doing it every day ever since. Knowledge. I mean, you're going to want somebody who knows the law. I'm a student of the law. I went to University of Baltimore. I graduated near the top of my class. I read publications. I do cases. I do cases, and I learn from those cases that I do on a daily basis in all areas of the law. The third reason to hire me is affordability. I do my best to be as affordable as possible with all my clients in every different area of the law. I've been doing this for a long time. I've got a lot of experience. What I'm going to do in every case is talk to you, figure out what your financial situation is, and give you the best representation possible, but I'm also going to try to do it at an affordable rate. I understand that everybody's not rich. I understand that people don't put away money and save up to hire a lawyer, and that most situations, whether it be a divorce case or a bankruptcy case or a criminal case, you don't have money stored away, thousands of dollars to hire a lawyer, and I know that. So I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to work with you, I'm going to do the best I can to work with you, work out a payment plan, figure out what your situation is. If it's a situation that won't take me a lot of time, I'm not going to charge you a lot of money. I'm just not going to say, well, I'm charging you $5,000 for a DUI. I don't care how many hours I need to put into it because I'm a great lawyer. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to look at your situation, try to figure out really how much time I'm going to need to spend on it, and charge you accordingly. Our firm caters to hardworking people. We recognize that it's not easy to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer shouldn't be beyond the means of the average wage-earning person. And I know that, and I've worked my whole life to try to make it as affordable as possible for you, for people who haven't saved up $1 million to hire a lawyer whenever they need one. That's not what I focus on. What I focus on what your needs are, and try to work out a situation where you can afford it, try to work out a payment plan with you, and work with you the best I can. The fourth reason that you should hire me is availability and accessibility. When you want to hire my firm, I'm going to be there for you immediately. I understand that for most people it's very difficult. It's very difficult to get to the point where you're going to hire a lawyer. And you put it off and you put it off and you put it off in certain situations, and then you call that lawyer. You want to talk to that lawyer right away, and I get it. Just like when I'm at home and my furnace breaks and I need somebody to come out to fix it, I'm going to call somebody and I want them to come to my house right away. Well, I've always been a fan of treating other people like I would like to be treated myself. So I know that when you're calling me, you want me to get back to you right away, and I've done everything I possibly can to do that. I put my cell phone on my websites. I will text with you. I have an answering service 24 hours a day. My receptionist answers the calls immediately, and if I'm available, I'm going to talk to you immediately, and if I'm not available, I'm going to have somebody else talk to you, or they're going to text me and I'm going to call you back from a courtroom if I have to, because I understand that you're going to need me to answer your questions immediately, and you want me to answer your questions immediately and help you out with your situation. But here's the kicker. I'm not just going to do that when you first call my office. I'm going to be that way throughout the entire process. If you call me about a divorce case, if you call me about a criminal case, yeah, I'm going to call you back right away. And sure, I want to call you back right away. I want your business. I want to help you. But Once you've paid me that money, I'm not going to disappear like many lawyers will. I'm going to be there. I'm still going to be there in the evening to talk to you if you need me. I'm still going to be there on the weekends if you need me. I'm still going to be there to answer an email within 10 minutes if you send me an email. And I'm going to be that way throughout the entire process. And I do that because I know that this is a situation that you're going to be going through. And again, what I do is bankruptcy, it's divorce, it's criminal cases, it's an auto accident case, it's things that you don't want to have to do and you likely haven't done before. And this is stressful for you. It's an anxiety. It's an anxious period of time for you. I get that. And when I go through those things in my personal life, I understand I want someone to be there to take care of me, not just from the first phone call, but through the entire process. And that's what I'm going to do. And that's what Ruben Law Firm is committed to do. And I think when you hire our law firm, you'll see we do that from day one to the last day that we represent you. And we're going to keep in touch with you hopefully after we represent you.